Okay, so it's Finance Friday. We're going to be going over my stuff. I got some numbers. I've got what I've been doing with some of my transfers, what I've been doing with some of my money, and I've got a new challenge that I've decided to do. So stick around. Hey, what's up everybody? This is the Roy and welcome to my channel, 40 and Broke, where we're all about getting out of debt, saving, investing, and getting our finances under control so we can live the life we've always dreamed of, because that's what it's all about, living the life we've always dreamed of. As you can see, the star of the show is not here today, so I'm riding solo, and I figured I'd start off. We're going to do the likes challenge like we did last time, so once again, hey, give this video a big thumbs up. And we're going to put those likes that are on this video towards the emergency fund for next week. So let's see what we got going on here. Last week we had 48 likes and 1 super like. So that's 49. And I'm not sure if Josie's the one that downvoted it because she was in it, but she might have downvoted it just to try to throw us off the trail. But I found this out. One of her friends, my cousin Kylie, who goes to school with Josie, she found the channel. So when we've been getting 2 of those downvotes, yeah, I think we have an idea. One of those might be She Who Shall Not Be Named. And the other one might be cousin and friend to She Who Shall Not Be Named. So there we go. I think we're finding the culprits. So what do we got there? 49. Because we're going to count that thumbs down, you know, because, you know, of course they messed up. They meant to hit a thumbs up and, well, it happens. It happens to the best of us. But here's the card. We got a 3, so we're drawing again. And a king, so that's 18. 18 plus 49 is what, 67? So $67 will be going to the emergency fund. Now, I got my numbers here. So what I did with my last check, so 140 is going to the roof bill. So that's half the roof. Half the mortgage, 315. Half of my insurance is 85. My gas for the week, 50, or for 2 weeks, 50. M1 that goes in Monday, that'll be 50. Phone and internet, half of that, 60. I got that child tax credit or that child credit, but I got 375 because they took so long to get it to me. So I've been getting 375. So I took $175 of that, set it to the side. And then I took the $200 out for the M1 custodial account that I'm going to do with Josie, and then the other 100 is for her sister Angelique to start an M1 account if she wants to do that. So I'll probably do that next weekend. We'll talk about that with Josie. And then I set aside $100 for the like challenge, $15 for pay it forward, because what I'm doing is I'm saving up. I'm going to take $50 and I am going to put it to the Health is Wealth challenge, the Erin from Erin Twibbles around Aimlessly. And I'm going to donate it to the liver disease awareness. I'm going to donate it to that charity. So I'm going to donate $50 to that. And then I have $200, I think, that I'm going to put towards my lawnmower. I have $500 that I owe on it. So I'm going to put $200. That'll leave me with owing $300 on it. And then I might just use the next check that comes out because that's my freebie check, that, you know, the magic check. That will give me, I'll just take, I think, the $300 out of that and then pay that bill right off. So, and that kind of leaves me with a $100 buffer in my, my account just in case something pops up, stuff like that. So now I also, so far, my goal was 13 no spend days. Today's the 15th. I am already at 11 no spends. So that is awesome. I am 6 days, I think 6 straight days, no spends. So I've been rocking it this week. I have really wanted to buy stuff, and I'm like, nope, buying nothing. So yeah, 6 straight. But I will be spending money tomorrow because we'll be going out for dinner. The wife's best friend's coming down to visit, and we'll be going out to dinner for that. So there's that. So that's my budget check-in, and that's been giving me a nice little bit of buffer. And I think I got my folder over there, not my folder, but my planner, and it has my emergency fund amount on it, and I do believe that was like $324. So when I add this 67, that's going to put me almost to $400. So hey, we are rocking it out, and that's because of you guys. You guys are awesome. You're hitting that thumbs up, and you know, you're making it happen. So I want to thank each and every one of you. The surprise thing that I was talking about, the new challenge that I'm doing. I watched a video today by the Financial Minute, and his challenge that he's doing is he wants to vlog, and he's like, I want to build $0 into $1 million in 2 years. So he's like, I don't know if I'll get it, but we're going to go like crazy and we're going to try to get it. So I was like, that's awesome. That's dedicated. I'm doing the same thing. So what am I going to do? I'm going to sell some stuff that I have, and I'm going to get that ball rolling. $0. I'm taking stuff that I have and starting it. Now, I'll leave a link to the video where he talks about what he's doing. I'll leave that in the description down below. And I'll leave a link to Erin's channel also in the description down below for the Health is Wealth. That way you can go check that out, because she can explain the liver disease way better than I can. And but so the Financial Minute, starting at $0. So what am I going to do? I'm going to see what I have to sell. I'm going to sell stuff, and then I'm going to work from there. And the goal is 2 years, $1 million. So I figured, what are some of the things that I've done? I've got Fetch rewards. Everyone on here is probably already using Fetch rewards, but if you're not, hey, I'm going to leave the referral link down below. Not sponsored by them, nothing like that. But if you use the referral link and put my code in there, you get extra points, I get extra points, win-win. You've already spent the money. Just snap a picture of the receipt and hey, turn them in for gift cards. Same thing with Receipt Hog. Same thing, snap a picture, you get money, or you get points, which can be traded in for gift cards. Same thing, I'll have the link down below. Now, another thing I use is it's called the Fold app. And once again, none of these are sponsors, but I'll leave the referral link down below. Now, the Fold app, they do offer a checking account. That might be something you'd be interested in there, Caleb Bale. You might want to look into this one and see how that checking account works. But what it does is it gives you Bitcoin. So I go onto this app every single day, and you can spin a wheel. It gives you a chance to win Bitcoin. Very minute amount. They call them sats. So you might win 5 sats. And it takes 50,000 sats before you can cash out. But you can cash it out for Bitcoin. And I can't remember how much. One sat is like 0.1 millionth of a Bitcoin or something like that. Or, you know, 1/10 millionth. I don't know. But it's a very small amount. Like I've got 30,000 sats or something like that, and it's worth, I don't know, $12 in Bitcoin. But all I do is go on there every day, spin the wheel, and I get a chance to win some small amount of Bitcoin. And every 7 days, it gives you a bonus for 7 consecutive days. And plus, if you use that, if you sign up, you'll get I think it's 5,000 free sats. You get 5,000 sats for using that referral. And then I don't think I get any sats for the referral. However, if you hit the wheel and it's like, oh, you get X amount of sats for every referral you've given. But the cool thing is this, they have gift cards. Now you can purchase a gift card. Let's say Amazon's one of them. So if you're going to go on to Amazon, you just click on that gift card, the Amazon gift card, and then buy it through the Fold app and just put the money through there. And then it gives you extra amount in Bitcoin, extra sats for whatever you spend the money on. And I figure, hey, and that's what I do. So I'm like, if I'm going to spend some money on Amazon, I'm going to put the money on the gift card through the Fold app, get the extra sats, go do what I can with Amazon. And then, hey, if you've got your Amazon and linked to your Fetch and probably your Receipt Hog, now you've just triple dipped. You've made some Bitcoin. You've got some Fetch rewards. You've got some Receipt Hog. You'll be rolling in bank before you know it. So I'm going to use the money that I get from these to fund towards that $1 million in 2 years. And the other thing I do, crazy, you'll never believe it. I don't know anybody that used to smoke, if you remember years ago, the Marlboro miles. Well, once again, Marlboro, they don't have the miles, but inside their packs, they have these little codes. And if you sign up and download the Marlboro app, I take those codes and then you can put in 30 packs worth of codes in a month and it's 3,000 points. And then for your birthday, they'll give you extra points. If you go on there to the actual Marlboro.com and watch videos, they'll give you get more points. So then you can turn around and you can take those points and I exchange them for Visa gift cards. I just turned it in for a $20 gift card, which I was going to use, but I ended up using it because one of the things Josie does is she cleans gravestones at the local graveyard. She'll clean the gravestones and she needed some specialty soap. So I went and bought this specialty soap for her so that she can clean up all these old gravestones and stuff. So I used that. It's like $40 for this tub of soap. And I mean, cut it in half. And basically it was because people who smoke paid for it. I don't smoke, but I tell you what, when I see a pack of Marlboros in the trash, I pull it out, rip that code off, and then later on I put the code in. So all the smokers out there paid for my daughter to get, some specialty soap so she can clean the gravestones at the local graveyard. So that's my challenge. $0 to 1 million in 2 years. Will I make it? I don't know. But you know what? We're going to go like crazy and we're going to try. So I'm down for that one. Let's see what I can do. So, all right, everybody. That's my update. That's my Finance Friday video. So once again, give me a big thumbs up for that YouTube algorithm. If you like content like this, subscribe to my channel down below. And likes for the emergency fund. And 0 to 1 million. Links in the description. All right, everybody. Have a great day. Have a great weekend.